What's up, Degens, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm not going to be boring you guys with any technical analysis. We got this on the screen. Actually today with this video I just want to say a big thank you to everyone. Now the last couple of months I've managed to grow the channel from nothing to 650 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys, obviously enjoying some of the content. Now I'm sort of getting to that point now, getting a lot of comments and questions from you guys in the comment sections. A few of you guys also, asking me questions about, our community, what's your Twitter and that kind of stuff. And I think we're definitely at that point now where I think we're ready to kind of get a community started. So as you can see in the title of this video is going to be about us starting a community. Now the big question is going to be, do you guys prefer Telegram or do you guys prefer Discord? Because me myself, I use both of them. I'm easy either way. They both have their advantages and their disadvantages. I think being a place where where we just kind of share ideas and just talk, in a general sense, and I feel like Telegram has that advantage of just being like a normal chat room where everybody can chat and share ideas. Now what Discord has is its advantages is being able to create different channels and keep your stuff more organized. So we can keep like calls in one place, shilling material in another place, YouTube videos in another place, like a general chat in another place, in all separated in different channels. So Telegram and Discord, they both have their advantages and the disadvantages. But I guess the main question that I want to ask you guys is, what do you prefer? Because if the majority of people who are watching my videos use Telegram, then obviously I prefer to use Telegram as, the app that we're going to use for the community. Or if, most of you guys use Discord, then, I prefer to use Discord because I want as many of you guys over there as possible. Because, the more of you guys that can get over there, the more of a strong community that we can build, where, obviously I'm sharing ideas that I see with you, but then also you can share back ideas with me and the rest of the community, and you can say, oh well, I like this project, can you do a review on it? And yeah, obviously, the more of us that are in there, the stronger the community is going to be. But not only just that, like already I'm having some projects reach out to me already, and asking me if I want to do some sort of giveaway for my community. And I mean, I don't mind doing that for you through YouTube, and I'm probably going to start doing that over the next few days. But we can just have somewhere like a solid, place either on Telegram or Discord, we can have a community. Then it's going to be more easy in the future to, to do these kind of whitelist and other giveaways when different projects reach out to me. So so the big question is, would you guys prefer a Telegram community or would you guys prefer a Discord community? Now I know you can create polls on YouTube, and maybe I will do that depending on how well this video does. But what I am going to do for now is I'm going to leave 2 comments in the comment section, one Discord and one Telegram. Now for the one that you want to choose, just give it an upvote. Just give it a thumbs up, and I'll leave it a certain amount of time. I'll see how much interaction I have with it, and yeah, we can go from there. If it doesn't get much interaction because this video isn't about a project, so maybe not many people will click on it, then maybe I will create a poll instead, and we can do it that way. Yeah, so say the last 2 months we've really built the community up to 650 subscribers now. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed so far. We're well on our way to 1,000. Really, the 1,000 mark is where we need to get before we can be kind of taken seriously by a lot of these projects. And therefore, we're going to be able to get some easy whitelist spots that I can give to you guys, or even maybe some paid giveaways and stuff like that. And so it's exciting times. I've had a lot of growth over the last 2 months to get to this point now. Hope you guys have enjoyed the content. I like to think I've brought some good ideas to you guys. Probably the most notably, I did videos on Seifu like way before the public sale, which got like maybe 500-600 views. So I hope that I managed to give some awareness to that project to some of you guys, and some of you guys made some money from that one. Also Sphere Finance, which is going crazy at the moment. It's about to touch 10 cents, which is like 100x for the guys who got in private sale. And I did maybe 3 videos on this one, all leading up to the private sale, you know, telling everybody how to get whitelist spots. And yeah, and you know, there's been several other projects as well that I've done at least, you know, between 10 and 20x that I've called on this video. I mean, not all of them have obviously been moonshots. There's been a couple of them that turned out to be scams, but that's kind of the idea about this channel, is that this channel's about finding projects early, and you know, sometimes even before we know a lot of information, before they've got a contract audit done, you know, before they've done any sort of KYC, you know, before we can really see if a project's legit. But the main aim about this channel is getting awareness of projects early, so that you can get yourself a private sale or pre-sale spot, and then, you know, later on when the time comes for the private sale or pre-sale, then you can make a judgment for yourself. You know, you can do some, you know, your own research, and to find out whether you think that this project is legit or not. Because, you know, when you're finding projects as early as we're finding them on this channel, you know, it's going to happen that some of them are going to turn out to be malicious or not legit and stuff like that. You know, that's just the way DeFi is. Not 100% of these projects that I'm calling out, you know, before the private sale, you know, are going to be moonshots. But yeah, that's just the way it works in DeFi, and I hope, you know, with some of the calls I have done, people have made a lot of money, and that's what I want to keep doing in the future. Yeah, I feel like we're at the community is at a size now, especially on YouTube, where I want to bring things over into Discord and Telegram, and you know, so we can discuss more closely. So instead of you go, well, obviously I want you to keep leaving the comments on the videos, so obviously helps grow the channel. But you know, we can talk a little bit more closely. You know, so instead of waiting for me to make a video on a certain project, you know, obviously I'll post the link to the project in either the Discord or the Telegram beforehand, and then I'll go ahead and make a video on it. And yeah, so I think I'm kind of going over the same thing 2 or 3 times now, so I kind of stopped talking. So yeah, I'll leave the 2 comments in the description of this video, Telegram and Discord. I would like you guys to vote on which one you prefer, and I'll leave the poll going for a few days, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.